In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Trello. Automation in Trello helps you cut down on repetitive work so your board stays organized without constant manual updates. A rule is simply an instruction that says, when this happens, do that. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a reliable, time-saving rule on any Trello board. Start by opening your Trello board. Make sure you're on the board where you want the automation to run, since rules apply only to the board they're created on. Next, open automation. You can do this by clicking the lightning bolt icon at the top of your board, or by opening the board menu and selecting automation. This is the control center for everything related to Trello's built-in automations, often known as Butler. Once the automation window opens, look to the left sidebar and select the Rules tab. Rules are event-driven, which means they wait for something specific to happen on your board, then respond with the actions you define. This tab shows all the rules you've created and is where you'll manage them going forward. Now click the Create Automation button in the top right corner. This starts a new rule and takes you into the editor where you'll combine a trigger with one or more actions. Think of it as building a sentence. When X happens, do Y. Click plus. Add trigger to choose what starts the automation. Triggers are events like when a card is added to a list. Pick the one that matches how your team works. For example, if you use a list as your intake point, the card added to list trigger is a great fit. The more specific you are here, the more precise your automation will be. So choose the event that truly marks the moment you want work to move forward. Next, click plus. Add action to decide what should happen automatically. Actions can do things like add a label or move the card. Use these to keep your workflow consistent. Labels can signal priority or status, and moving a card can advance it to the correct stage without someone dragging it manually. When you're happy with your trigger and action, click Save. Your rule is now active on this board. From this point on, whenever the trigger occurs, Trello will carry out the action you set, quietly, consistently, and on time. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more practical tutorials. Let us know in the comments what you think and how we can make future videos even better.